Hello everyone, my name is Amol More and welcome to our channel Solution to Blackbook. Now one of our students has asked this question: prove that the AM of 2 sin 2, 4 sin 4 and 180 sin 180 is cot 1. Basically it's a series which starts from 2 sin 2, 4 sin 4, 6 sin 6 and so on up to 180 sin 180. Now what you need to understand is what is actually AM. This is what you need to understand. Suppose if you have two numbers A and B, then the AM will be equal to A plus B by 2. Suppose if you have three numbers A, B, C, then the AM will be equal to A plus B plus C by 3. Suppose if you have n numbers A, B, C and so on, then the AM will be A plus B plus C plus so on, addition of all the numbers divided by how many numbers, that is n. Okay, so that is basically our AM. Now let us understand how many numbers are there: 2 sin 2, 4 sin 4, 6 sin 6 and so on up to 180 sin 180. So there are total 90 numbers which we need to add. Therefore AM will be equal to 2 sin 2, 4 sin 4, 6 sin 6, it is all in degrees, up to 180 sin 180 divided by 90. This is our AM. Now how to calculate it further? So let us concentrate on the numerator. Numerator is 2 sin 2, 4 sin 4, 6 sin 6 and so on up to, we can say, 176 sin 176, everything is in degrees, plus 178 sin 178 plus 180 sin 180. So we need to form a simple expression for this. Now if you can observe 2 sin 2 and 178 sin 180, it forms a very nice pattern. Let us see that pattern. So we have 2 sin 2 and 178 sin 178. Now that can be written as 2 sin 2 plus 178 sin of 180 minus 2. So that will be equal to 2 sin 2 plus 178 sin of 2 only, because sin of 180 minus theta is sin of theta. We have written 178 as 180 minus 2. Now if you add this, you will get 180 sin 2. Similarly, you will get 4 sin 4 and 176 sin of 176. So this can also be written as 4 sin 4 plus 176 sin of 180 minus 4. So 176 is written as 180 minus 4. So this will be 4 sin 4 plus 176 sin of 4. So that will be equal to 180 sin of 180. Now if you observe the numerator very carefully, you will see that the numerator is changing to 180 sin 2, 180 sin 4, 180 sin 6 and so on up to 180 sin of 88. Now you will have to stop here. Okay, now the number which is missing over here is sin of 90, but sin of 90 will not have a pair, so it will remain as it is, 90 sin of 180, and the last number 180 sin of 180 will not have a pair, so it will also remain as it is. Let us see once again about the numerator. 2 sin 2 will have a pair with 178 sin of 178. 4 sin 4 will have a pair with 176 sin of 176. 6 sin 6 will have a pair with 174 sin of 174. So only two numbers will remain which won't have a pair. One is the last number 180 sin of 180 and one is the middle number which is 90 sin of 90. This both will remain. Okay, so let us write them down: 90 sin 90 and 180 sin 180. Let us take 180 common from these terms which I am underlining. So what do we get? 180 times sin 2 sin 4 up to so on sine of 188, and sine 90 is 1, so this will be 90 into 1 plus 180 into sine 180 is 0. So this will turn into 180 sine 2 plus sine 4 up to so on sine of 88 plus 90, because 180 into 0 will be 0. Now observe carefully, this is a sine AP series. Now let us understand what a sine AP series is. So for that we have sine of 2 plus sine of 4 plus so on up to sine of 88. So you can write this down as sine of 2 plus sine of 2 plus 2 plus sine of 4 plus 2 and so on up to sine of 88. So as you can see, this resembles sine of alpha plus sine of alpha plus beta plus sine of alpha plus 2 beta and so on. So this is a sine AP series. So as you can see, alpha is the first term 2 degree, beta is the common difference 2 degree, and n is the number of terms. Last term is 88, which is divided by 2 will be 44. Sine AP series has the formula sine of n beta by 2 upon sine of beta by 2 into sine of 2 alpha plus n minus 1 beta the whole by 2. So let us put down these values. So this sine AP series will be equal to sine of 44 into beta by 2 upon sine of beta by 2 into sine of 2 into alpha. So it will be 2 into 2 plus 44 minus 1 into 2 upon 2. So this will be equal to sine of 44 degree upon sine of 1 degree into sine of 4 plus 86 by 2. So this will turn into sine of 44 upon sine of 1 into sine of 45. So the numerator has been simplified. So as you can see, this numerator which has been simplified was a sine AP series. Okay, so sine, after solving sine AP series, what do we have? 180 into sine AP series plus 90. So let us write down the numerator. Numerator is equal to 180 into sine AP series. Sine AP series is sine 44 by sine 1 into sine 45 plus 90. Okay, now let us replace this as this and write down sine 45 first and 44 then later plus 90. Now multiply and divide this by 2. So this will be 90 upon sine 1 degree, and this is 2 sine A sine B, which is having the formula cos of A minus B plus cos of, minus cos of A plus B. This is the formula plus 90. As you can see, this is 90 upon sine of 1 degree into cos of 1 degree minus cos of 89 degree plus 90. So this will turn into numerator 90 upon sine 1 degree into cos 1 degree minus 90 upon sine 1 degree into cos 89 degree plus 90. So this will be equal to 90 cot 1 degree minus 90 cos 89 can be written as cos of 90 minus 1, which is sine 1 plus 90, it is in degrees, 90 cot of 1 degree. So this will be 90 sine of 1 degree upon sine of 1 degree plus 90. As you can see, sine 1 degree got cancelled. 90 cot of 1 degree minus 90 plus 90, again 90 got cancelled. So numerator is 90 cot of 1 degree. Okay, so coming back to our question, what was our final answer? It was numerator upon 90. So let us write down AM is equal to numerator, which is 90 cot of 1 degree upon 90. So 90 got cancelled, and the answer for this is arithmetic mean is 90 cot 1 upon 90, which is cot 1 degree. So in this way we have calculated the AM of 2 sin 2, 4 sin 4 up to 180 sin 180 by utilizing the concept of AM and sin AP series, of which the formula you should know: sin of n beta by 2 upon sin beta by 2 into sin of 2 alpha plus n minus 1 into beta by 2, where alpha is the first term, beta is the common difference, n is the number of terms. Hence the answer for this question is cot 1 degree, which is proved. Thank you for watching the video, guys, and do not forget to like, comment and subscribe on our channel.